Okay, just check whether screen is visible to all. Hello. Okay. Okay, good afternoon to all. So we'll not take much of time here. Okay, okay, just a minute. I will. Okay, now check. Are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Just a minute. Okay, now am I audible clearly? Just finding some. Okay, very well. Okay, now we will start with unit number 4. In last lecture, okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. See, up to now we have covered first 3 units, the basic introductory part. Then we have seen variables, types, and other things. In last unit, we have gone through functions, right? Now, today we are going to start array and string. See, those who have not yet submitted your problem statements and not attempted the MCQ test. So today again, you can attempt it. Okay. So by today, I'm going to close the link of MCQ test as well as the problem statement link. Okay, now we'll start with unit number 4, array and string. So can anybody tell me, or are you able to recall array from C programming language? Yes, why we are using array? Array programming languages मध्ये काय यूज करतात? Anybody?
To store a similar data.
To store a similar data. Okay, similar type of data. Okay, you need to mention it, similar type of data. Okay, now see what is limitation here in the programming language. Okay, I will go to this. Okay, I will write here one program. Let's say integer a is equal to 10, and here I'm going to display the value. Semicolon. Yes, it will display me the value of a. Can I give here one more value? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir. but I wish to give multiple values to store in the variable, right? So this is what the limitation of uh, regular variable. Regular variable is not capable to handle multiple values. Let's say I will run the program. What it indicates: unexpected, unqualified before numeric constant. So for constant, I have only one value. For the variables, I can store only one value. If I wish to give multiple values for one variable, then I need to go with the concept of array. Provided the value must be of same type. Okay. Why we are moving for array? Array कडे कशासाठी जातोय आपण? Because I have one thought, like instead of a single value, I need to give multiple values to store in the data. Data मध्ये मला काय करायचे? Multiple values store करायचे. Now to store multiple values, we have this array structure, but again there is a limitation. We can store only same type of values in the array. If like this, I would say first is integer value and second is float type of value, and I have a array which is of type integer, then this case is not possible with array. To pass the value for the array, we should have, yes, same type of values. Okay, so you need to remember this definition. Array is a variable. It is nothing but again a variable which allow to store, yes, multiple values of same type. This you need to remember. I will make it bold and red. Okay, so this is what the definition of array. It is nothing but a variable which stores multiple values of same type. And here is example. Here I am going to store the value which is of type double. Okay, that means of a large range. Okay, integer, I can give it as integer, float, double, string. Okay, मी इथे type define करू शकतो, but that type of values are going to be stored for this grade. Grade is what? Your name of array. Okay, so how we are going to declare it? Declare कसा करायचा array? First, this is what the syntax. I will make it in other way. It don't allow me to correct it. Okay, so data type, that means integer, float, character, string. Here you can give the name of array, and in bracket, remember here we are using square bracket. Round bracket use करत नाही आपण. Round bracket हे function साठी use केले जातात. We are using square bracket. Square bracket is used for, yes, array. Okay, remember these two things. You are using round brackets for function and you are using square brackets for array. For example, here I have mentioned integer x, and this is what 6. This is square bracket, that means it is array of type integer. Okay, I will explicitly mention it. Integer, the type of element to be stored. X is the name of array, and this 6 is nothing but size of the array. That means I can store 6 value for the variable x. X या variable साठी मी किती value store करू शकतोय? 6. The size you mentioned here in the square bracket, it is nothing but the number of values can be stored here in the variable x, that means array variable. त्या array variable साठी तुम्ही maximum 6 value store करू शकता. You can store 5, 3, 2, any value, but not more than 6. Are you getting this? समजते का? Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can store at max 6. You can store less than 6 values, but not more than 6 values for array variable x. Okay. Now, what are the different types of declaration? Array अजून किती different types ने तुम्ही declare करू शकताय. So just check C and C++, both way you are having the same way. Okay, but if you check this this arrow, arrow number 4, integer a in bracket 3, that means array of 3 elements, and here this type of declaration is removed from the compiler. Okay, you cannot declare array with this type of values. Okay, apart from this, you can declare either with this way, that means simply declaring the array variable. You can declare and define the values. म्हणजे तुम्ही व्हॅल्यू डिक्लेअर सुद्धा करू शकता, अरे डिक्लेअर, आणि त्याला व्हॅल्यू असाइन सुद्धा करू शकता. You can have empty array as well. Empty in the sense you are not going to provide any values to the array, so it called it as empty array. We are not going to look for this because it is absolute, that means it is removed from the compiler. And look at this last part, it is nothing but pointer to array variable, integer pointer a. That means now I am having the array a, which is of type which is a pointer and having type of integer values. Okay, तर हे काय की array pointer declaration. Okay, so we will also see some example from this array pointer as well, but mostly these first two are going to be used in the programming language to practice it. Simple declaration in the first way. In second, declaration and definition. Definition means we are going to pass values to the array, declared array. Third one is having null values or empty array. Okay, that means if you check it here, open and close curly bracket without any value, and which is of size 3, so it will be having output 0 0 0 3 times. Okay, also you can mention 0. See, this is different and this is different, though we are having the same output 0 0 0. इथे empty आहे and 0 has a meaning. Okay, empty आहे तरी सुद्धा काय इथे डिस्प्ले होते का compiler through it by default assign the value 0 for the array variable, and we can give 0 value to all those three arrays. Okay, and here if you give only one value out of this 3 value, one is stored, the remaining 2 places will be remain as 0 0. Okay, so this is how a declaration of the array. I'll move to next. We have declared the array, right? Up to this, now I'll move to programming window. Okay, now who will tell me the syntax? I want to store okay, this is my problem statement for you. I want to store 10 20 30 40 50 in array. So now tell me how to write this part. हे डिक्लेअर कसा अरे कसा डिक्लेअर करायचं सांगा. Who will tell me? Anyone? Hello, am I audible? Roll number 1. Shruti, are you there? I'm not getting your voice. Okay, okay. Now it's audible to me. Okay, now tell me, I wish to declare array, so, and which will hold these 5 values. So how to write it? make sure I'm going to take I'm going to call any roll number. You should be available on the screen. Okay, so I will go to now roll number 5. Yes, can you tell me how to declare array,
Yes, sir.
or can you type in the chat box? See, I can declare it by integer a in bracket, and if you check the size, it has 5 elements, so I will write 5. This is array
Int
declaration.
A.
Yes, int a in square bracket 5. That means if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is what the size of array. That means how much numbers I wish to store in the array. Array मध्ये किती number store करायचे म्हणजेच काय झाली the size of array, and where we are going to place the size of array in the square bracket. Okay, so here I can declare, at the same time I can initialize as well. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so if you check, by this way we are going to declare the array, declare and define the array. So if you check here, is screen clearly visible to all? Yes, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, एक तर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट नुसतं integer a is equal to 3, that means you can only define the size and you can assign the values later. तुम्ही व्हॅल्यू नंतर सुद्धा असाइन करू शकता, or at the time of declaration you can assign the values as well. Okay, both way it can be accepted. As like of your variable कसं करतो तुम्ही, integer let's say x आणि त्याच्यानंतर परत x equal to 10, right? Similar this way you can assign x size here, let's say 6, and here out of this 6 the values. Okay, remember again, the value for the array will be mentioned in the open and close curly bracket. Okay, like this way. Okay, both way it can be accepted, either in first go or you can break into the different stages. Okay, now next is what इथे काय केलं मी, array I have declared the array, I have defined, that means some values are assigned to the array variable. Now I wish to display हे जे काही मी स्टोअर केले array मध्ये, I wish to display the value. इथे मला काय पाहिजे, आउटपुट मध्ये पाहिजे. So how to access the elements from the array? array मधून त्याचे एलिमेंट्स कसे ऍक्सेस करणार? Yes, array and index. If you check the syntax, it gives you array index. But before this, इथे जे काही तुम्ही देणार आहात त्याच्यासाठी what you need to remember this sentence. Each element in array is associated with number. Okay, the number is known as array index. We can access the element of array by using those indices. Now check, if you check this way, okay, I will write it here. I will use one more thing here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now check what values I have passed to array A: 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, right? If you check in the program मध्ये कुठले व्हॅल्यू दिलेत मी? 10, 20, 30, 40. बरोबर? Is it correct? Hello. Hello. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? The values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. ह्याच व्हॅल्यू दिलेत का आपण प्रोग्राम मध्ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what we have just read now, each element in array is associated with number. म्हणजे काय की हे जे काही व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर झालेत ह्या व्हॅल्यूज कुठल्या तरी स्पेसिफिक नंबरला स्टोअर झालेत. द नंबर इज नोन ॲज अरे इंडेक्स. तो नंबर म्हणजे काय असेल? अरे इंडेक्स ऑर इंडायसेस. नाउ जस्ट चेक, when we start or when we initialized any value, it starts with 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, when you have 5 values in an array, so your array index, your last array index will be 4, that is n minus 1. Remember this, because array index is always start with 0. Okay, now roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
From which or you can you tell me what is the first array index?
0.
Yes. Okay, now array index is start with 0. म्हणजे जर if you have given the 5 values, 5 minus 1, that is 4. 4 is your last array index. Okay, now what is the next line? We can use we can access elements of an array by using those indices. म्हणजे जर मला हा 30 जर रिट्राइव करायचा असेल. ओके, नाउ टेल मी how to write it here. This is array index, I have array variable a. How to write it? How to retrieve this 30? जर मला 30 रिट्राइव करायचं असेल तर काय करायला लागेल? त्याचा इंडेक्स किती आहे? What is the index value of 30? Yes. Who will tell me what is the index value of 30?
2.
2, correct. If I write it here, a of 2. Okay. So it will check in the array. It will go 0. This is first and this is second. So it is going to retrieve 30. So just check. I will go to here. Okay. The value of a, I will write it here, a2. Here I am going to display the value of a2. Okay, the value of a2 is 30. If I wish to display all the value like this way, I will write simply, instead of here, at 0th location, I am having this value. Okay. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for your simplicity, I'll write 5 as well. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to give you the time for implementation. Just don't go for the implementation. Yes, I missed here. It starts with 1. Okay, we have only 4 index value. Okay, I'll write handle to each line so that every element will be there on the next line. When I run, see, it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I execute A5, because of these 5 elements, जर कोणाला असं वाटत असेल की 5 elements आहेत and I wish to retrieve A5. So as it starts with 0, we have only fourth index. We don't have any value at the 5th index. So what it returns? It returns the garbage value from the memory. Okay. It returns the garbage value from the memory. Okay, so now this is one thing, initialization and displaying the array elements. Okay, now just go here. Okay, give this program name it as array declaration and displaying the values, and do it. Let's take 1 or 2 minutes because it don't have any complex it here. इथे काही जास्त complex नाही. Then we'll move to next problem statement. इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to, if I said here 0, so the first element is going to be retrieved. If I write here 2, it will traverse 0, 1, 2, and it will retrieve the record from here. Okay. But for that, you need a variable name and index. अरे मध्ये फक्त एक दोनच गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या, एक अरेचं नाव आणि त्याचं इंडेक्स. हे जर दोन गोष्टी तुमच्याकडे असतील, you can retrieve value from the array. Okay, no doubt. So array initialization, okay. Then yes, this is my first problem statement to display array elements. Okay, so just do it now, then we'll go for the next problem statement. But before this, you can type this 4 line in your mobile, your name, roll number, division, and program. And after this, take a screenshot of it so that it will be helpful for you. Again, when you need to upload for your internal submission. Okay, just do it and send me the screenshot. I will wait for, let's say, 3 minutes. Yes, please send me fast. Yes, two of you have sent me, which is correct. Remaining, do it fast. Yes, I got two more. Okay, now, okay, I am getting multiple response now. Okay, good. See what you need to do it here. Now for next programs, what you need to do, if you check here in the, okay, only thing you need to make changes here, and if required, the name of program. Okay, take the screenshot card like so. Yeah, the program is available with you now, and as you have sent it to me on my number, so it is available in your WhatsApp history as well. Okay, just what you need to do, like as I'm having the second problem statement, implement a program to insert and print array elements. ओके, आताच्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये काय होतं की अरे एलिमेंट तुम्ही प्रोग्राम मध्ये लिहायचे आणि ते लिहिलेले डिस्प्ले करायचे. बट व्हॉट इज देअर इन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन टू इन्सर्ट. ओके, इन्सर्ट दॅट मीन्स वी नीड टू टेक व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम द युजर कडून मला काय करायचं, व्हॅल्यू घ्यायचं. ओके, सो आय विल मेक चेंज हिअर इन द प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट. Okay, here. And what is there? Program to insert. आता ह्या अरे मध्ये काय करायचे, मला व्हॅल्यूज टाकायचे. दॅट मीन्स ओनली आय नीड टू डिक्लेअर अरे. इथे काय करायला लागेल, मला फक्त अरे डिक्लेअर करायला लागेल. Yes, is everybody looking here at the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now as we have gone through the concept of for loop, otherwise काय करायला लागेल, इथे तुम्हाला सीन just a minute. ओके, इथे काय करायला लागेल, सीन सगळीकडे काय करायला लागेल. सो फॉर टेकिंग द युजर व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम द युजर वी आर युजिंग एस सीन फंक्शन, राईट. ओके, okay, now I'm going to run the program. I think some problem with internet. No match for operator. इथे कुठे एक्स्ट्रा झालंय का काही? हो. For C in the copy paste is dangerous. I just change only for C out to C in, but I forget to make this way. See, finding little slow here, compiler. Okay. Okay, instead of this, what I will do. int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, x plus what is happening here is array of 5. Okay, expected I have given here. Then where I forget. Here also I have given, here also I have given. How this is not happening? Actually, we have gone through the syntax very correctly, but don't know. Hello, is screen visible? Hello.
No, sir.
Correct. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me check where it went wrong. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I will not take value from the user. Okay, in for loop instead, see here, I have done the comma, it is semicolon. Okay, same thing appears here in the for loop as well. इथे सुद्धा ती काय झाली आपली चूक झालेली आहे. Comma semicolon. Okay. Now there is no need to give these values here. Okay, I'll run the program. Why is it so? I'll rerun the program. 12, 36, 45, 20, 54, 55, 56. Conditions कधी थांबणार आहेत? I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. It has to stop when I reach to 5. Yeah, execute once again. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Maybe in the previous execution, the compiler may get hang due to this. The result was not calculated correctly. Now just check 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After this, the value of I becomes 6 and it goes, it goes 5. Are you remembering the working of for loop? For loop वर्किंग कसं होतं लक्षात आहे का तुमच्या? हॅलो हॅलो can you be little louder or type in the chat box so that I can recognize it? Are you remembering how for loop works?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first it initialization, it checks the condition and if condition is true, it enter into the body. हा जो थर्ड सेक्शन आहे इन्क्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट, हा बॉडी एक्झिक्यूट झाल्यानंतर इथे येतो. Okay, compiler will move after execution of body and it increments the value of I with plus plus, that means by 1. Now again it checks with the condition 1 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. Then आता फर्स्ट ला काय झालं, 0th इंडेक्सला माझी 10th ही व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर झाली. Then at first location the second 20 value is stored. Then it increments at a of 2. It checks whether 2 is less than 5. Yes, it is correct. It accepted 30. It goes and it checks a of 3. Now 3 is less than 5. Yes, true. A of 3 it accepted as 40. Then it increments I with 1, 4. 4 less than 5. Yes, condition is true. Now it accept at fourth location 50. It increments the value of I variable with 1. Now 5. 5 is less than 5. The condition is false. So it will not insert the next value. It will go outside. It will print the next line. And what is there in the next for loop? It is just displaying the values at a of I. That means पहिली value काय I variable ची 0. So what is value of a of 0? That is 10. Here I have given the space. इथे मी double inverted comma मध्ये काय केलं, space दिली. Then it checks, it increments the value of I variable with 1. Now a of 1. So what is there in the a of 1? Yes, a of 1 मध्ये काय आहे? A of 1 मध्ये, yes, 20. So it displays 20 here at second location. Similarly, it increments the value of I, a of 3. That means 2. 2 is less than 5. Condition is true. A of 2. Value काय होती 30. It displayed. Then it increments the value of I variable 3. Now is 3 less than 5? Yes. Again it will display a of 3. That is your 40. It given the space. Now last 4. 4 is less than 3 plus 1 4. 4 is less than 5. Condition is true and it executes. Okay, 50. Yes, the condition is true. Now it goes, it checks 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. So condition is false. The body will not execute and it will go outside. Okay. एक तर तुम्ही या वेने करू शकता or you can have this way. इथे तुम्ही सी इन करू शकताय. Okay, just give me a minute. इथे तुम्ही सी इन ने सुद्धा करू शकताय, but you need to write these many statement. हे तुम्ही multiple statement तुम्हाला लिहायला लागतील. हे तुम्ही मल्टिपल स्टेटमेंट न लिहिता तुम्ही नुसतं एक फॉर लूप मध्ये एकदा जर तुम्ही सी इन केलं तर तुम्ही मल्टिपल व्हॅल्यूज घेऊ शकताय. सो हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस प्रोग्राम? हा प्रोग्राम समजलाय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस स्क्रीन. आत्ताच्या स्क्रीनचं स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या अँड ट्राय फॉर दिस थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट. आता थर्ड प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये काय आहे, इम्प्लिमेंट अ प्रोग्राम टू डिस्प्ले सम, म्हणजे इथे जे काही मी व्हॅल्यूज घेतल्यात ह्या व्हॅल्यूची काय करायची, तुम्हाला सम डिस्प्ले करायची आणि त्याचं काय करायचं, ऍव्हरेज डिस्प्ले करायचं. ओके, समजलं का तुम्हाला काय करायचं ते? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a screenshot of it and just give a try for implementation. Otherwise, we will do it. Okay. Otherwise, आपण करूयात execute.
सर ते
So-
प्रोग्रामचं स्लाइड दाखव.
अच्छा हे का? Okay, I will remove unwanted lines. Okay. Now, is it clear? Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may take a screenshot of it because now we have crossed the timing. घेतलंय का सगळ्यांनी screenshot? Okay, I will try to minimize the number of lines. Okay. Take screenshot. घेतलाय तुम्ही screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just give your try for this sum आणि average calculate करायच्यात array मधले elements. Otherwise, we'll do it in next lecture. Okay. That's it. I will stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.